Hello guys, SMBB6 here. Today I'm going to react to one of PomPom's video. The reason is, I was running out of ideas, so I decided, why not react to one of PomPom's videos? I found this one funny, and wanted to share my reaction. So let's get this show on the road.
So, Jessie, how do you feel as a girl?
I don't like it.
Are you sure? You look really pretty. You know, like I said,
I do not.
Alex is not happy about this.
Are you mad at me?
Yes.
Why?
Because I look ridiculous.
I like it. I like your eyelashes. They're really...
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, come on. Don't pretend that you don't like being a girl for once.
I do not.
You know, we could have, like, a
Bro is trying to cheer
sleepover
up
and
Jax.
talk about boys and have a pillow fight and watch Beauty and the Beast.
My name is
Jessica.
I'll show you, Jacksita, once I go back to test my normal stuff.
Sure, I'm so scared. I'm not good at dancing. I'm trying my best here. I'm a little stupid.
Didn't expected that.
Look at me.
What's that?
Look at
I admit this is the most funniest video to ever react to. I'll rate ear about 10/10, because it's funny and also cute. Good job on this one. And if you have reply, please comment it. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this video. Say you in the next video. Well, did you like it?
It's cringe.
You fat, bald bastard! Piece of subhuman trash! 2,000 years of constant human evolution to create a hairless
Super Depressia 64.